Welcome to today's Explainer. We are jumping right in today to unpack a massive paradigm shift that is actively reshaping the digital economy. We're talking about AI tools, affiliate marketing. Now, if you look at them separately, these represent entirely different disciplines, right? AI tools are the absolute bleeding edge of computer science, machine learning, and software development. And on the flip side, affiliate marketing, well, that's a foundational, decades-old strategy for online commerce and digital sales. But when you push these two concepts together into a single pipeline, you get something entirely new. Today, we're going to conceptually deconstruct this synthesis and look exactly at how these two distinct worlds are colliding.
Okay, let's dive into this, because this right here is the fundamental question we have to answer. What exactly happens when the cold, calculating efficiency of digital automation meets the highly persuasive, very human art of product promotion? For years, these two things lived in completely different silos. Automation was strictly for back-office tasks, while promotion required human intuition, clever copywriting, and relationship building. But that barrier, it's completely gone. By exploring this question, we're opening the door to a totally new way of thinking about digital effort and revenue. To truly grasp the magnitude of this collision, though, we first need to isolate the two sides of our equation.
Section 1. Decoding AI Tools, the engine of automation.
Now, what's really interesting about this is that the defining characteristic of modern AI tools in this space is minimal human intervention. We aren't just talking about a smart spell checker or a basic scheduling macro here. We are talking about highly specialized, autonomous software designed to actually take over the heavy lifting of complex digital tasks. This software basically acts as a temporary replacement for human effort in specific, targeted actions. It operates entirely independently, utilizing these incredibly complex algorithms to accomplish goals that previously required deep manual work and constant hovering oversight. To truly grasp what these tools are capable of, let's break them down into three core functions. First, they automate repetitive tasks. They're handling the API formatting, the continuous site scraping, and those intricate scheduling protocols without a second thought. Second, they generate dynamic content, utilizing large language models to actively produce the very material audiences consume, from long-form copy to highly targeted video scripts. And third, they analyze massive data sets in literal milliseconds, leveraging predictive data to map out exactly what is converting and what isn't. Automate, generate, analyze. When you stack those together, you have a tireless digital workforce operating at the speed of light.
Let's shift to our second pillar. Section 2. What is affiliate marketing? The performance-based model.
So the crucial point is that the universal definition of affiliate marketing hinges entirely on performance. It is a pure, unadulterated meritocracy. You're compensated strictly for your ability to drive action and convert attention into measurable revenue, regardless of how you actually sourced that attention. As an affiliate, your singular focus is on the promotion and the conversion pipeline. If your promotional efforts successfully drive a user to make a purchase, boom, you earn a commission. It's entirely reliant on effective targeting and highly persuasive communication.
Historically, this model operated on a very rigid, highly manual cycle. First, you create, meaning you spend hours writing blog posts or drafting long email sequences. Then you promote, manually pushing that promotion out to target demographics, just hoping your SEO or ad targeting hits the right nerve. And finally, you earn, tracking the links and waiting to see if all that manual effort actually paid off. The undeniable bottleneck here has always been human bandwidth. You can only create so much high-quality copy, and you can only manage so many promotional channels in a single day. Your overall earning potential is strictly capped by your physical limitations and the hours you have available.
Now for the collision. Section 3, merging AI and affiliates, the synthesis. And this brilliantly illustrates the stark pivot in how campaigns are executed today. Traditional affiliate marketing relied so heavily on manual content creation and a somewhat guessed, shotgun approach to targeting. You built a campaign and kinda just hoped the algorithm favored it. AI-powered marketing completely flips the script. Manual content is seamlessly replaced by automated generation at scale. Guest targeting is replaced by precise, predictive, analytical targeting. You are no longer hoping to find the right audience. The AI tools are mathematically locating them and delivering content specifically generated for their unique preferences. It's this rapid evolution from a hopeful broadcast approach to a laser-guided system. Conceptually, transitioning from manual guessing to automated precision sounds absolutely incredible. But how do these two forces actually interact in practice to drive those performance-based commissions? How does an affiliate architect this synthesis on a daily basis to maximize revenue while minimizing their own manual input? Notice how the human bottleneck completely vanishes in this new workflow. Step 1. The affiliate prompts the AI to instantly generate highly optimized copy, programmatic SEO pages, or video scripts. Step 2. Affiliate links are seamlessly embedded directly into this dynamic content. And Step 3. This is where the absolute magic happens. The AI tracks and optimizes those conversions in real time. It analyzes the incoming dataset instantly and automatically adjusts the phrasing, the layout, or the targeting based on actual user behavior. That engine of automation is now actively supercharging every single phase of the conversion pipeline, all without requiring the affiliate to manually intervene.
Let's move to our final section and see how this builds our big takeaways. Section 4, the future landscape. Where do we go from here?
The landscape of tomorrow is defined by these three overarching realities. First, unprecedented speed. Campaigns that used to take weeks to design, write, and deploy can now be launched in literal minutes using programmatic generation. Second, data-driven optimization. The era of relying on gut feelings in digital marketing, it's over. Every decision, every keyword, and every ad placement is optimized continuously by machine analysis. And finally, limitless scale. Because that human bottleneck of manual creation has been bypassed, a single individual can now run incredibly sophisticated campaigns that would have previously required an entire marketing agency to maintain. Speed, optimization, and scale.
So, as these tools become deeply integrated into our daily workflows, we have to ask, will AI completely redefine how we earn online? We've seen how it transforms the foundational act of affiliate marketing from a manual grind into a highly automated, data-driven science. This synergy is undeniably powerful, and it's moving faster than ever. I highly encourage you to keep exploring how this synergy is actively reshaping the digital economy on your own. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and keep questioning the future of technology.